Hello, I'm Sri Charan. My registration number is 15CS134. Today I'm going to show about the static routing. In static routing, I've created a simple topology where it shows how a switch and router are connected, and how a PC is connected to a router. In static router, the basic thing is that it is only a simple connection between a PC and router, where it shows the different kinds of things. In this, I'm not going to show everything where like the topology is created and how the car router gets configured, because in my previous videos I've already shown how to configure a router and how to configure a switch and all. For this to happen, the basic thing I've taken is three routers and three switches and created a simple topology, as you can see on the screen. And the basic things that are like, if you see over here, each PC is connected to a router. In the similar ways, I'm going to show you what and all are the commands in order to configure the router. First one is the basic simple command where I've to give like the config terminal statement, and I'm going to give the IP address as the follows. Like this would be the IP address for me, and then I've going to change the interface by there are a set of instructions which I'm going to show now. Like, for the router R1, it is like the fast Ethernet is 0 by 0. I'm going to check like interface space fast Ethernet space 0 by 0, and the IP address to be ensured that to be 172.16.3.1, and space I'm going to give the subnet mask, which should be 255.255.255.0, and I'm going to give the no shutdown command, which is basically used in order to turn the interface on, or like in order to end the particular program. And this is what happens, like when you do it for the first time, you give it a fast ethernet, and if you do for the serial, you're going to give us serial over here, interface serial, and give the same the IP address, the same IP address and subnet mask. For the second router, it is as same as like fast ethernet. Again, it will be 0 by 0, and the serial will be 0 by 0 by 1 0, and 0 by 0 by 0 1. And further, this one happens until like when until you configure all the routers and all the PCs. And the main thing in the static routing is it is not as much as reliable or as much as fast as static dynamic routing. And when you see all this, and when you get to the conclusion that you need to what and all you need to give, and what and all you need to see is if it is getting pinged or not. For this, to check whether it is pinged or not, I'm going back to my topology which I've created before, and now I'm going to check the port number, which here is set to be 192.168.1.1. And now I'll ping it and see. Once you can see it on the screen, ping space 192.168.1.1. You can see that there's again the sent will be 0, received will be 0, and the lost will be equal to 0. So there's no loss in this. So this concludes my static routing program. Thank you.